Hello, this is a tutorial for how to create the page, and this is our online demo, and I will show you exactly on our online demo. Okay, let's go to create the new page, and our demo actually using the Visual Composer with our own customized elements. All of those red elements are our own elements, and each one is unique options. First, you need to create the row, and the row has so powerful options because the height can be full screen and also the full screen offset, and also you can set the custom min height on the custom row, and also you could have choose the content with the full width and the large and the box stretch and small and X small, and all of those sides are displayed on this front left side, and also each row actually the padding from the top and the bottom. And if we click this, and there are so many pixel options are here. Default is a 110. If you chosen this default, and this is gonna take the padding top 110 and also the padding bottom 110. And if you want to use the different sides on besides all of those this section, and then you could have used the styles padding top and bottom section, and this two option will override our theme container padding top and bottom. And also we have used the UE kit grid, and you could have to change the grid gutter option. There are so many cool gray gutter options are here, and I've chosen the 15 small. And also you could have match the height if you set it to true, and the content vertical line options are here. Okay, let's set it to the 2 columns, and let's add it a simple text block, and also add the heading element. Okay, let's save this. And if I publish this page, and if I I didn't create the name. Okay, let's create a page, and let's update this page. Okay, let's check this on the front and how it looks like. On the default, we have the header area is right here, and also page title section is here. The main content section is actually displayed right here. Okay, let's duplicate this row and change the box. Let's go to full width, and also change the background color with the blue. And also we need, if you have chose the background color for some dark color, and you should have changed the content colors to white, and this option will help you to UK light class, and the UK light class will change the contents to the white colors. Okay, let's update this page and refresh on the front. Now if I see this, and this is a full width container, and the content is gonna display the full width, and content is actually changed to the white color itself, and this is looks so cool. Okay, let's go back to the editing the page, and those are actually all of those elements, and each element has own unique options, and some elements are displaying the portfolios, and some elements displaying the job, and some elements will insert in the content block. It's okay. that's it. And also, if you scroll down, and there is a page settings are here, and our theme has actually built with the top bar, and default is the hidden actually. And if you want to display the top bar area, and then you could have choose from the content blocks, contents from content block, and this is so useful option. And also the header layout options are here. You could have changed the left sidebar, pull menus. There are 4 different types are here. And also, if you have chosen the classic layout, and then you could have changed the container. Okay, let's change this to 100 pull width, 100% the pull width container, and also the header color is right here. Let's choose this transparent, and let's choose the header scroll up style. Okay, let's save this and check this. Okay, if I check this, and our header area is actually displayed the pull and scroll up style, and this header is actually the picks to the top, no matter how scroll up or down, and then this is gonna display it on the picks on top. Okay, if I scroll down the page, and there is a page title or slider content section is here, and this is our page title area. If you want to display the slider on something like our home classic or restaurant or something like, and then you should use this area. Okay, if I click to the keyboard from the S, and then the slider start here, those are our already predefined sliders. You could have chosen any sliders you want to here. Okay, I'll click the slider home fitness, and also you could have edit this content blocks on this section. If I click this, and this is a content block itself, and you could have also checked the change only the content blocks right here. This is only displaying the slider, and that's the from content block. I have chosen the page title area to the slider fitness, and also the footer content can be customizable. Okay, let's go to the footer area, and we have 5 different footers are here. Okay, let's click the 4 column minimal. Okay, if I update this page, and this section is gonna be changed, and also the footer is gonna be changed. Okay, let's refresh this. Now it has a display in the fitness sidebar because it's from the content block. It's working so great. And also the footer area is displaying the 4 column minimal. Okay, that's it. If you have any questions and any other questions or bugs related to the page, and then contact us our support form, or contact our email deanwaves@gmail.com. This is our support email. Okay, that's it.